your special birthday night.
Happy birthday, Sheena!
Okay, Sheena, happy birthday. Mula dito sa Team Canada, happy birthday. At sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. Huwag makalimutan na tayo kakain lagi sa
Nico!
We love you, Sheena!
We love you, Sheena!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sheena! I love you!
Happy 7th birthday, Sheena. Wish ko ngayong birthday mo ay lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at lumaki kang mas mabuting bata. And sorry kung wala ako dyan ngayon sa birthday mo. Pero tandaan mo palagi na mahal ka namin. At enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday as Ate Sheena.
Happy birthday, Sheena! You're awesome inside and out. Wishing you a magical 7th birthday filled with laughter, love, and more adventure. Happy birthday, Sheena!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sheena. I love you. I hope you have a good one. I miss you. I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, baby girl. I hope it's a very blessed one. I miss you so much. And I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to our shining star, Sheena! I love you! I hope you have a blessed day and you just keep shining and soaring high. Be a good girl always. Tita Ninang loves you so much.
Hi, Sheena. I just want to say you a happy birthday.
Hi, Sheena! Happy 7th birthday! Hindi ko alam kung tanda mo pa si Ate Dayan, but I'm the one who assisted your mom at the time of her delivery for you in NMC. It's a 7 wonderful years already. Napakabilis ng panahon. Continue to be a blessing to your family. Continue to be a good daughter to your parents and to your siblings. Continue to be a good sister to them. At sana maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo. Kita-kits soon. God bless you always. And continue to bloom.
Happy 7th birthday, Sheena. I miss you. I love you. Always take care. Mwah! Birthday, Sheena. Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong karawan at laging healthy.
Hello, Sheena! Happy 7th birthday! Wow! Ito na yung very special day para sa'yo kasi mag-celebrate ka ng iyong 7th birthday with a very good theme which is yung Kuromi Party. We're happy for you, Sheena! And sana mas maging sweet and lovable daughter ka pa para kay ama at kay mama, ganun din sa mga kuya mo. And sana, hindi ka na mahihiyain the next time na uwi ka dito sa Pilipinas. Enjoy your party and happy 7th Kuromi birthday ulit. Bye! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Sheena! Our sweet little girl. I hope you are happy today that you are now 7 years old. May all your dreams come true and be a good girl always. Stay pretty and smart. We all miss you here. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Hi, Sheena. Happy birthday. I can feel you are very, very, very happy today. And you look so pretty with your long dress. I want you to be happy always. Be a good girl. Study hard. And love your mama and your ama and your brothers because they love you so much. Huwag kang magtataray. Always be good girl. And then I hope you can come here very soon. Na? We will eat at Miko's, your favorite, pansit. And then I will buy you so many buchi. Okay? Enjoy your day. And wait, one more. When you come here, I want you to say, I love Abu Dhabi, okay? But you also include, and I love Philippines also. Huh? Promise? You will say, I love Abu Dhabi and I love Philippines. Okay? Take care. God bless you. Love you. Bye. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy 7th birthday, Sheena. Sana lumaki kang lagi sumusunod sa iyong kamatina, mahal na mahal ka ng iyong kamatina, sana maging mabuti kang tao, mabuti kang bata. Sana pagiging mo palagi yung pag-aaral.
Happy 7th birthday ako. Sana ay ikaw ay masunod rin sa imong amat ina. Panalangin ko ay sana ikay mabait na bata at mag-aral ng mabuti.
Happy birthday, Sheena. We love you.
Koromi is a monster.
Sheena! Happy birthday! Wow! Need a second. Let me greet her too. Of course. Happy 7th birthday, Sheena! ありがとう。Thank you.